Hello students, welcome once again in our grammar class, and today we are going to study pronoun part 2. So let's study indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns do not refer to any particular person or things. For example, all, many, some, few, one, none, others. Indefinite pronouns किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग से कोई संबंध नहीं रखते हैं, ये अनिश्चित होते हैं. Indefinite pronouns are not sure. Examples: all are not happy. So here all is indefinite pronoun because we didn't mention here that how many people are not happy. हमने यहाँ मेंशन नहीं किया है कि कितने लोग खुश नहीं हैं. So that's why we are using all. Next is many are poor. So many is indefinite pronoun. One cannot believe it. One is indefinite pronoun. Do good to others. Others is indefinite pronoun. Some are born great. Some is indefinite pronoun. Few are rich. Few is indefinite pronoun. None but fools can believe it. None is indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Pronouns each, either, neither refer to a number of persons or things, one at a time. Such pronouns are called distributive pronouns. जो pronouns व्यक्तियों और वस्तुओं की संख्या को दर्शाते हैं उसे हम distributive pronouns कहते हैं, जैसे each, either and neither. So here this needs to understand that each, either and neither are singular. So when we make any distributive sentence, so we will use each, either or neither with plural form of the verb. Example: each of the girl was given a rose. Each means pratyek. Student, each is a singular form. Therefore, we will use each of the girl was given a rose. We are not using girl. We are using girls. Next, either of the two pens will do. कोई सा भी पेन चलेगा. Either means दो में से कोई भी एक. So either of the two pens will do. Next, neither of the statements is true. कोई सा भी statement सही नहीं है. So here we are using neither. Neither means कोई भी नहीं. So neither of the answers is true. Next is interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is one which asks a question. जब किसी वाक्य में प्रश्न पूछा जाता है, प्रश्न पूछने वाला शब्द प्रश्नवाचक प्रोनाउन कहलाता है. Examples: who is there? In this sentence, interrogative pronoun is who. Whose book is this? Interrogative pronoun is whose. What do you want? What is interrogative pronoun? Whom did you meet? Whom is an interrogative pronoun. Besides this, some more examples of interrogative pronouns. Names are where? Where are you living? Which is your mobile? How are you? When will you wake up? Whence did you buy this mobile? Why are you crying? So students, we have completed here our interrogative pronoun, and next is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun joins the sentences together. Example: who, whom, whose, which, what and that. जिन प्रोनाउंस के द्वारा दो वाक्यों को जोड़ा जाता है उसे हम रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस कहते हैं. So students, here we can see that there are two separate sentences. This is the man, he stole my purse. यह व्यक्ति है, उसने मेरा पर्स चुरा लिया है. Now we are making relative pronoun. This is the man who stole my purse. यही वह व्यक्ति है जिसने मेरा पर्स चुराया है. नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज द बॉय, हिज नेचर इज गुड। यह लड़का है, उसका नेचर अच्छा है। दिस इज द बॉय हुज नेचर इज गुड, यही वह लड़का है जिसका नेचर अच्छा है। दिस इज द बॉय द टीचर प्रेज्ड हिम, यह लड़का है, टीचर ने उसकी तारीफ की है। दिस इज द बॉय whom द टीचर प्रेज्ड, यही वह लड़का है जिसकी टीचर ने तारीफ की है। दिस इज द हाउस जैक बिल्ट इट, यह घर है, जैक ने इसे बनाया है। दिस इज द हाउस दैट जैक बिल्ट, यही वह हाउस है जो जैक ने बनाया है। दिस इज द हॉर्स इट वॉन द रेस, दिस इज द हॉर्स विच वॉन द रेस, यही वह घोड़ा है जो रेस जीता है। Besides this students, some more examples are, this is the school where I am studying, यही वह स्कूल है जहाँ मैं स्टडी कर रही हूँ। This is the shop whence I bought my dress, यही वह शॉप है जहाँ से मैंने अपना ड्रेस खरीदा है। So children, here we have completed our pronouns part 2 and you all have to revise it repeatedly. So till then, take care and have a good day.